Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best poster portfolio in the 18 by 24 inch size, the Sooez Art Portfolio. If you're an artist, illustrator, or anyone looking to safely store and beautifully display your artwork, this portfolio might just be the perfect companion for you. The Sooez Art Portfolio measures a spacious 12 by 18 inches, but what makes it stand out is its ability to hold larger pieces comfortably, thanks to its design and construction. It features 30 top-loading plastic sleeves, which means you get a total of 60 display pages to organize your collection. Each sleeve is crafted from crystal clear polypropylene, providing excellent transparency that lets you admire every detail of your artwork without obstruction. One unique aspect of this portfolio is the black inner sheets that come with each sleeve. These black backgrounds not only make smaller pieces pop visually but also help keep your artwork flat and wrinkle-free. Whether you're inserting watercolors, sketches, newspaper clippings, or any art piece, these black sheets offer a sleek, professional backdrop that elevates the presentation. Another thoughtful design feature is the tailor-made reversible spine title insert. This allows you to customize the spine label of your portfolio. It's a simple but effective way to keep your collection organized and easily identifiable, especially if you have multiple portfolios. Finding the right piece quickly becomes hassle-free, which is a big plus for artists on the go or anyone with an extensive collection. Durability and protection are key when it comes to art storage, and the Sooez portfolio delivers on both fronts. The cover is thickened and sturdy, designed not to crack easily even with frequent use. This heavy-duty cover works in tandem with the archival quality, acid-free, non-stick, and non-glare plastic sleeves to ensure your artwork stays safe from damage and deterioration. The waterproof material also adds an extra layer of security against accidental spills or moisture. The portfolio lies flat when opened, which means you can view and organize your pages effortlessly without needing to hold it down. This feature frees your hands to work or display without frustration. It's perfect for both storage and presentation purposes, whether at home, in a classroom, or during exhibitions. With its combination of size, protective features, and thoughtful design elements like the black inner sheets and customizable spine, the Sooez Art Portfolio stands out as an excellent choice for artists who need a reliable and visually appealing way to keep their work safe and accessible. If you're searching for a large, sturdy, and professional-grade portfolio to showcase your artwork, this 12 by 18 inch portfolio from Sooez offers a balanced mix of functionality and style. Whether you're an emerging artist or a seasoned pro, it's built to protect your work and present it in the best light possible. That's it for today's review here at Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more product insights. Thanks for watching.